Smartphones these days pack excellent audio hardware and they offer immersive audio output. That being said, smartphone speakers aren't loud enough to fill a room, and that's when a Bluetooth speaker comes into play. Well, Bluetooth speakers are great for portable music playback, but at times you want to take them somewhere a little more off the city or outdoors, and that's when you need something a little more rugged. Recently, while scouting for a perfect, rugged Bluetooth speaker, I came across an ultimate all-round package. It's the AX500 from Alpatronix. First and foremost, the look of the speaker screams ruggedness. The sleek and intuitive designs are made of high quality, hard and durable plastic. Also, the speaker is IPX5 water resistant, which means you can take it on any type of weather situations. The ports and buttons are also securely covered with these rubber flaps, and the adjustable strap makes it easier to carry around. The button placement on this speaker makes it super easy to use. On top, we have buttons for power and pairing, volume controls which can also be used to seek between the tracks or play and pause the music, while the equalizers can be used to switch between different sound settings like balanced or more bass. The lights indicate the amount of battery percentage remaining, and the flap on the back opens up for a USB-C input for faster charging, which is a plus. Additionally, the speaker also has a 3.5mm input coupled with a USB input and output that can be used to plug in pen drives to play music and charge your smartphone or tablet. Yes, you heard it right. This speaker also doubles up as a power bank. Talking about the sound quality, the speaker is capable of producing high quality sound with deep and rich bass, clear acoustics and vocals as well. The two subwoofers on both sides of the speaker produce enhanced bass, while the two built-in large tweeters are incredible for mids and highs. Lastly, there's one large audio driver inside the speaker that offers full high-definition sound. Overall, the speaker has a balanced equalizer and you can effortlessly change the equalizer using the dedicated buttons. Furthermore, you can even pair two of these speakers for an enhanced stereo sound effect. With all these features on the AX500, it still manages decent battery life. On full volume, I got up to 4 hours of continuous playback, and on medium volume, it went up to 7 hours. It may not sound to be the best when you compare it with other Bluetooth speakers, but with all the drivers producing different sound effects and uncomparable loudness, the battery life is bearable. Also, the range on this is quite impressive. I could travel to rooms with the speaker in one place and the phone is in my pocket without breaking the connection. But again guys, the range works best on open areas. In addition to music, these speakers are perfect for watching movies and listening to audiobooks or podcasts. And while being rugged, the speaker offers perfect connectivity options. I can still use a 3.5mm audio input, charge it with my phone's charger, and the ability to use a pen drive as a music source can be considered an icing on the cake. As for downside, the speaker is a little bulky, but that problem can be resolved using the provided strap. So, as I've said in the beginning, this is indeed an all-round package. It is rugged and water resistant, so I feel confident to use the speaker anytime, anywhere. I use it as my travel buddy when needed, and I even use it in the shower or on the poolside. Overall, the AX500 Bluetooth speaker by Alpatronix is possibly the best music companion. So that was the video guys. I hope you guys liked it. Do leave your recommendations if you have any. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and I will catch you guys in the next one.